Hello kids, this is Kids Online TV and let's learn the name fruits and vegetables have been cut into two pieces and let's join them together to learn the name of the vegetable. So let's start. But before starting the video, please don't forget to subscribe our channel to support us. Thank you. Let's start. Strawberry. Strawberry. Its color is red and it's very delicious and tasty fruit. Strawberry. This is watermelon. Watermelon. Let's join them together. Wow, this is watermelon. Carrot. Tomato. This is tomato. Cabbage. This is cabbage. Let's turn them to a complete cabbage vegetable. Cabbage. This is muskmelon. Let's turn them into a complete muskmelon. Oh yeah. Muskmelon. This is pumpkin. Pumpkin. Red chili. Red chili. Grapes. These are the grapes. Eggplant. Eggplant. Capsicum. 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 Kids, hope you would have liked our video. If you like our video, please don't forget to subscribe our channel and like our video, comment our video, and share our video as well to your friends and near and dear friends. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified timely our new videos. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.